Wow, that was quite an experience with an Albanian family. And Effie, thank you very much for welcoming me in. You're very kind. Obviously, your parents as well. I'm sure they're very, very nice. I've met them briefly last night. So many thanks to you all for letting me stay over. And also for offering food, water, fruits and everything. Your kindness, very much appreciated. That's actually really good timing too, because yesterday I was having such a difficult time in terms of my cycling. I've been going back and forth on this long road and then realized that actually I couldn't get through to this road to Tirana because the road condition was bad, and I was kind of losing a bit of hope because I was planning to get to Tirana today, but now it's not gonna happen. It was a great timing because, not a so great day, but it ended up very nicely. Wish you luck. Wish the business grows, this events venue thing that you're kind of running, and I don't know what else you have going, but good luck with everything in the future. And also to the kid, the boy, he seems very clever, Marianne, good luck to him as well. So now I'm heading to Durrës, the next big city from where I am. Durrës is kind of a port city and they have beaches, so that's good. Not beaches, beaches. That's what I wanted to say. So I'm gonna stay there for a night and then head over to Tirana for a few days from tomorrow. That'd be nice to kind of relax my best before I go start climbing or cycling to a climbing spot. Yeah, that's roughly the plan. Obviously with this trip, things always change, things happen, which kind of mucks up your plan. But yeah, anyway, ciao. This guy's on the suit. That's the toughest person on a bicycle I've ever seen. Maybe in London you'll find them too, with their Bramptons. But here on a highway, suit and very old bicycle. Wow, that's the first. I'm so happy that I'm now in the nicer side of the road, because on the other side, as I've encountered yesterday, there's a lot of crack in the middle, but here it's just pretty clean. But look at that, the other side. It's too small from the camera, but and I like the bicycle there. Everyone's carrying their shopping grocery in front of the bicycle. Oh, ducks. Still rabbits. Apart from cars, bicycle is also a very common method of transport around here. The love bicycle here, I liked it. Every corner, every street, you see a bicycle. Looks like serious chess match going on. Hi, I'm in the city center of Tavaje. It's a very busy town. So this is the main center, I think. I'm definitely in the city center of this town. Now I'm looking for somewhere to sit down and just kind of chill. Yeah, this town's busy. A lot of shopping. Yeah, this is a good spot to have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
快乐能飞吗？
What the hell is this? Spaceship looking thing. There's a lot of hotels and lots of people, so this evening trying to find a camp won't be so easy. Hotel Porta Cavaglia. It's very nice. Nice facade. It's like a mosque. Coming out of the Skotor. Very nice place, love it. It's very homely, it's shaded at the back, it's very nice. I paid €850, good price I believe. They have very nice bathrooms, really good campsite at the back, quite spacious for a few tents, and you know, met a few cyclists there as well. The most that I've seen in all the campsites that I've been. Yeah, it's very nice. I've had a great time there, and good Wi-Fi signal as well. And they have a tortoise and some lizards around. Yeah, very nice. I love it. Now I'm heading to Tirana. Let me see my GPS how long it will take. Okay, so it's 34 kilometers. That's a nice and easy ride. So it's just about the right time by the time I arrived at the hostel, because their check is about 3 p.m. So I think that's a really good timing, given that it's only, what, 11:30 right now? Oh, 11 rather, so 12, 1, 2. Yeah, I should be there just before check-in time. Could be really warm though, as you can see, but it's okay. I'll have a rest, proper rest in the next 3 days, just in Tirana, in the hostel, just doing nothing really. Maybe do some editing if I could manage to fix my storage memory. It's causing me a lot of problems at the moment. Now, gonna join this road. Hello! That guy is pulling the post by the wire. I think that post is about to collapse, it looks, because it's leaning to the side. There may be a strong wind here in the last few days. Stopping by this very old gas station. It's now being abandoned, it seems. Man, the road's pretty fucked up. It's only like 31 kilometers from where I started, from the campsite into the hostel. And I thought it was just going to be a drive-by. But no, I'm wrong. The road's very badly done. Or at least it got worse, maybe because of the way it's made and also with the weather. So yeah, I'm going very slow at the moment. So I thought I'll stop by and make some food, and also I need to consume all my food before I get to the hostel so they just don't go off. This is kind of like a financial district, it seems. It's the cleanest so far, cleanest part of the city. And it has its own bike lane. Let's test how good this thing is. Okay.